Hey everyone, welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about nail design. I'll show you how to create the dot nail design. There are many ways to create this look. Today, I'll be showing the first method. Don't forget to check out my nail art playlist. It is a collection of all my nail art and nail care related videos. It is a must watch for everyone. There are over 80 videos. This is how my nails look. It is all prepped and ready for the nail polish. You can check out my salon style manicure at home video to prep your nails as I have done, and view this playlist for nail shaping. I start by applying a base coat on my nail. I do this to protect my nails from the nail polish color. I wait for the base coat to dry up completely. Next, I'm going to apply the nail polish. I have selected a nude nail polish that I already have in my collection. Wait for this to dry up completely and I clean up the edges using a brush and some nail polish remover. Please save this playlist of mine to see all the different dot manicure styles that I'll post in the future. Now the next step is for creating the dot effect. I use this nail art tool called the dotting tool. As you can see, it comes in different sizes and it is a part of this entire nail kit. I picked this one as this is the dot size that I want. Next, I use a black color nail polish. Using the brush itself, I apply some on the dotting tool like this. And without wasting any time, I place one dot on my nail right in the center and also a bit closer to my cuticle. I do this quickly as I don't want my nail polish to dry up before I complete it. Notice the size of the dot. It will vary depending on the dotting tool, the amount of nail polish applied on the dotting tool, and also the amount of pressure you apply on the dotting tool. I'll cover more do's and don'ts in my future videos. Now, I again wait for this to dry up. Remember that it depends on the nail polish and also the climate for time of drying. And I'm done with creating my dot effect. After this dries up completely, you can also apply a top coat to seal your work. But I did not want to, so I just left it bare. To make your nail art last longer, please do try some of my tips and tricks. And don't forget to try this nail art design using different colors. If you're having trouble in deciding on color or even color combos, then check out my video called How to Choose a Color. If you're just interested in nail designs, then save this playlist in your library and be notified when I add my next video. Pros and cons of this method. As for nail polish, just 2 shades are enough. The amount of polish used to create the dot look is also very minimal. Con: you do need a nail art tool called a dotting tool. Need patience, time to see which look and color combos you like the best. And of course, you will need time to experiment with the size and positioning of the dot. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!